Hello guys, I can see that there is few of you already. That's nice. Can I know where you're from? Which country, what nationality? We are 6 strong. Almost 10,000. Okay, let me wait. It's just 8:02. We can see what's going on the charts in the meanwhile. What are you trading, guys? Tell me. What's on your radar these days? Let's have a look. Oh, hey Gabor. Are you from Hungary, Gabor? Sounds like. Yeah, I guess so. I'm judging by your name, at least. Thank you, Chiara. Thank you. I'm very happy, very pleased with the 10K. Greetings from Italy. That's nice. Greetings from England, from London. Okay, it's a few minutes past 8, so I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone, to all the subscribers to the channel. Today my channel hit 10K, so it's all thanks to you guys. I'm really pleased with that number and with growing numbers of subscribers. That means that the content is interesting, but I would like to make it even more interesting. That's why, if you have any ideas, if you have any suggestions, what would you like to see on the channel, I might consider them. I don't know, more analysis. Oh, and someone is calling me, a friend from years ago. Out of nowhere, at the very important moment of celebrating 10K. Maybe he wants to congratulate me, but no, now Chris, I'm sorry. So that's the idea. If you've got any suggestions, that's always nice, and I can consider them. And thank you a million for this 10K. It's really nice and encouraging to make more videos. I'm still looking for the style, what to do here. There was a lot of forex before, Ichimoku, of course, my passion. Different styles as well of trading, and recently I'm thinking of going more into the stock market, more into investing than trading. So I would like to make some suggestions of the stocks to invest in. But if you are into forex, we can talk about it as well. Oh yes, Hungarian, London. Oh, that's cool. So you are in London as well. Jan Olszewski, Poland. That's great. That's great. Sorry for the late notice. I can see that only a few people could make it. So what are you trading, guys? Tell me. Let's have a look. I'm curious. I'm really curious. Are you into cryptocurrency? Are you into Bitcoin? Did you see my last video I made about Bitcoin is going strongly up? Is basically at the same level as my video from yesterday, I believe. Was it? No, yesterday was Valentine's, so they oh no, yeah, that's true. I think in the morning, yeah, I made before celebrating. And Bitcoin and Ripple, that's my two investments. Let's see how far we can go. And there is a celebration today in US, so the markets are very quiet. It's presidential day, so nothing is really going on, and there was a lot of pullbacks as well. I think because of that, because of the long weekend, everyone wanted to concentrate on beloved ones and celebrating this day. And you never know, if the market is closed for 3 days, a lot of things can happen, so it's better to reduce your risk and take the money off the table. So I'm expecting tomorrow that everything will be going up again. So that's from the fundamentals. Chiara likes XRP, so do I. That's very nice. So as I said before in the video, I can see this is the daily chart that we might be growing up to 26th of February, at end of the February. The same for Bitcoin. I see this is very clear. I'm curious how it will play out, because as you can see, we have a very nice impulse through the cloud, pullback towards the cloud. There was not proper retest. It was more of an S wave. So one impulse, a little bit of pullback, another retest of the previous highs. So the previous resistance became a support. We can see very nice candle here, a bearish candle coming all the way. Like if we enlarge to Chikou, we can see that Chikou touched exactly Senkou-span A, the top of the cloud, and very nice attack, basically investments. So from 10,000 onwards. So counting from the bottom to the bottom of the pullback, we have 26 candles, which is classic. So we all know that 9, 17, 26, 33, 42, 51, 65, 76, and so on and so forth. So 26 being the Kihon-suchi number, 9 and 26, the most important numbers, and everything else basically evolves out of these numbers. So we can see a very nice movement in 26 weeks, half a year, which is quite significant. So it's very, very possible that we might just mimic this movement. And now what will happen, this impulse will be 26 days as well. So we are on 25th now, as you can see. So next week, so this week should be the growth, and next week we might see either for whole week the growth and then pull back, or at the beginning of the week we might hit the top. For now, very nice movement up, but I think something is happening, and something might happen for a little bit of pullback. We will see. Joseph, hey Joseph, or long BTC. Gabor is saying long BTC and silver. Nice, silver. Let's have a look at silver. Let me change. Where do I have my silver? Okay. Here we are. Is it silver? Yes, it is. I haven't checked silver for a while. I got a physical silver collection of coins. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, yeah, nicely going up strongly. There was after the game stonk. When was it? This candles here, yeah, jumping up, making new highs, which is very nice that we broke this previous top. So yeah, very good investment, very nice. I really like it. What I don't like is just this Tenkan going below Kijun, but except that, very nice. We have Chikou above the price, very nice candle. already opening and closing above Tenkan and Kijun, and Kijun is all the time strongly going up since 14th of December, so exactly 2 months going up, Kijun, like without any day of facing down. So it looks very good, and we can have a look at the time as well. So calculating, we can see, you see again 26, our Hosoda number. We have exactly from the bottom, counting from this bottom to the top, all this movement, 1 2 3 4 5, classic Hosoda, 5 waves, 26, and then massive collapse. So if you don't believe in Hosoda's numbers, you should start, because it's very strong signal to take your profits. And we can see that another number, 33, 1 day later on 34 we have a pullback. So now we can search for either another 26 up or 34 up. So if it would be 34, 3rd of March, we can look to take our profits. Of course, you know, check some Fibonacci extensions from movement. So that's what I would do. Let's see, but opposite way as well. So quick calculation here. Bank. So yeah, $32, 127, and then if we go higher, $36, 161.8. If we do Hosoda's targets, let's run them quickly. Let's see what we can expect from silver. So that would be our bottom. That's 1 and 2. So that was N. As you can see, the reaction was very close, 30, and just like few pence basically below. So we got target N. Now we are sitting on target NT. Yeah, so going up we can get to 30, yeah, 33. That would be target E. And let's run again Fibonacci just to see if there is any confluence with these numbers. Personalized chart view, I would do it this way. Yes, so target V2 and 161. There is like a nice zone here. We need to be cautious at this point, but yeah, silver looks very good. I think it will go up, and very nicely. So the dates to remember would be either 26, which will be quite soon, so 21st of February, and later on we said 34, yeah, so 34 from the bottom. That would sum up to 3rd of March. So watch what's going on at this dates. Nice. And let me see what are the other comments. Julian, hey, I hope you okay. Hello, can you take a look at LTC, please? Yeah, I want to see I will. That's Litecoin, yeah. USA Miami. Hey Joseph, Flux. Okay, let's see Flux. I'm not sure if I have it here. If not, we can go to Trading View. No Flux. What else is there? VNV. No. Long bit is HNI. No. Tech HNI. Not sure. Okay, let's go to Trading View. We might have a little bit less of tools for Ichimoku, but we can do it. So this is desktop metals. I was checking recently. It looks very good as well. a pullback to 24, and we can buy like all in basically. Okay, so all what flux, yeah, flux, New York Stock Exchange, yeah, Franklin. Ooh, how much is it? 31. Very nice growth. So we are on daily. Yeah, going up, no question about it. I can see like everything from 20th of March, once all this fall stopped. Okay, let's go to, we can go to weekly, see how the weekly is. Yeah, it's very strong movement. I don't know this this company, Franklin Templeton ETF. Okay, so where were we before? That was 24 and that was 16, so plus 8, 32. Yeah, so we are around 100. So this is where are my drawing tools? So if we drag it from here to here, yeah, so all this downwards movement, you can see that 200, so basically 100%, like target E, for example, we calculate the this movement and put it from this top, so basically the difference between this one and that one, and then we add it to this one, so that would be 33. So that would be my target if I was in this trade. We can see that already at 1.61.8 there was a nice reaction here, so I think we're going for 200%, so another $1.5 there to be made, I think, without any interruptions. We can use the time, and let's see, what do we have here weekly wise. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. So very similar, as we can see, that we have an impulse and then correction is on 28 and 51, so you know, 26 times 2 minus 1, that's our 51, will be in 1 to 3 weeks. Yes, so 3 weeks time, so we might hit this target, or some other targets we would need to calculate from these impulses, but they are very similar, as you can see, because our pullback was at this point and at this point, yeah. Okay, so 200 here would be, so target E would be 32 and a half, measuring this impulse and then this pullback. And what else can we target? NT would be as, okay, so we are already above target NT. Yeah, so target E is the one ahead of us. We need to check the fundamentals, if it's undervalued or not, what's going on here, and then we can predict some higher targets. So implementation, increase the target E basically. Okay, so that's the one. What else? W and W. Let's have a look at that one. So Joseph, are you in already trading this stocks? Okay, so that's the one, Nasdaq again, yeah. Oh, so that's a fresh one. Wunongnet Technology. So nothing to say. I can see there was a lot of trading. It started at 7 and went up to 162. But is it what? Dollars or yen or yuan? Okay, so not enough of data. We can just we can see like in 20, how many candles? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 candles so far. So this is nice. You see, you've got an Ichimoku 9, and you can see that the first one was explosion, and now 9th candle is a nice movement up as well. So nice volume, but we need at least 26 days of trading to be able to say anything, and the best would be 3 months, so like 76, and then we can see where we're standing. So we have a nice Kumo and everything is already formed. For now only fundamentals would do. Let's see this one. Oh, very nice one. This one looks very good. Is it weekly charts? Yes, it's weekly charts. So from the weekly charts, beautiful. It looks very nice. HNI. So what we have here, where are the drawings? That's the drawing. So we can see that we have a left shoulder, then we have heads, and then there is that's supposed to be the right shoulder. We can treat this one as a right shoulder as well. You see, they are like quite even, this left shoulder with this right shoulder. That looks good. So where are we now? Okay, let me just remove it because this is obstructing the view. So let's see at Chikou. Look what's going on with Chikou. Before Chikou got out of the Kumo, there was a pullback, again pullback to the price. So now it's like a third attempt. It's looking very good. We actually already closed above from what I see. Yeah, it's a little bit above. No, but this is not closed because this is the current candle. Is it? Let me see. 8th of February. So no, that's the last week. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So this week we might see a nice growth. Everything is looking good. Yeah, perfect scenario. Look at the strong candle. A very bullish candle. This is weekly chart, of course. Yeah. So each of these candles to form took 1 week. So this is not for scalpers. This is for like investment. And let's see. So from the bottom, if we run our time like real quick, we can see as well that we have a very nice combinations of move with the pullback up to 26. Yeah, so again the same over and over. Ichimoku, the time theory is working very nice. So from the bottom to this one we have 26, and then 27th, massive move, like no respect for life. We went through Kumo, through Tenkan. It's really powerful, so I really like it. What's happening here? 51. Okay, this let's measure. Perfect. And you can see that the left arm and the right arm, it's exactly 76. So 3 times 26 minus 2, because you always need to do minus the like in between. Beautiful, very nice. So yeah, it looks like we might shoot up very nicely. If we go to daily, then yeah, then we can see the power of this move. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, it's going really strong, really strong move. So I think this is a very good but where am I? I'm on Apple now. What's going on here? How come I'm on Apple? I just wanted to change for daily, and I changed to Apple somehow. Okay, Apple is everywhere. Yep. So look at that. So we already like passed a very nice movement. So we can see that was our base here, 42, 41, very nice. So the base was 41, and then we were going higher. And from the shootout, okay, and again, yeah, very strong movement up to 82, 83, very good. So yeah, doubled the bottom, doubled, that's our correction here, and then 83 from this point, just 2 days before. Yeah, so it looks very promising. What I would wait for right now, we are already, you see the price already closed above the Kumo. We have a Kumo twist, so we are in a bullish Kumo right now. The Tenkan is above, because this they changed the colors, which I don't like here. Conversion line, that should be red. That should be red, and the baseline should be blue. Okay, at least for me, to understand better what's going on, not to be confused. Okay, so it's looking very good. Let's run the time test here, just like real quick. Okay, 9, we've got the top on the 10th candle, very good. And as I said, the Chikou is still inside of the cloud. The price is already closing above, so I would expect like probably next candle, maybe even shooting up or something after all these days. Like we got this shoot up here, and once the Chikou will close above and stay there, then it's a green light. But it's already looking very good because we have this Kumo twist. This candle is already sticking out. A little bit alarming, this wicks here, but you know, there is some nice resistance at this point, and some would see as well head and shoulders. So if we run it this way again, yeah, what we have is head and shoulders formation. So some traders might be trading, you know, like selling here. If this base was broken, then we might see a strong fall, but I don't think so. It looks very good, in my opinion. So just wait for the Chikou. LTC, let's see, and the Litecoin. Or which LTC? Is it Litecoin or New York Stock Exchange? Julian, what did you have in mind? Let's see this LTC, looking very good, growing like crazy. Weekly, yeah, let's have a look at weekly. Very nice, I like it. So what we can see, as again, Kumo twist, closing above, Senkou-span B is holding, is a support, very nice bounce, one and second candle, very strong move up. So on the weekly, it's looking very good. There will be a Kumo as a resistance, but it's very thin, so I would expect actually nice movement up from the weekly. And let's see the daily. What do we have on daily? Yeah, just a quick view. Okay. Yeah, stable growth, so no brainer. It's looking very good. All the green candles, golden cross, you name it. Where are we in regards to? Yes, and very nice. Yeah, it's growing, it's going up. So everything stable, very good. I would just hold the position. You can always check some targets. Okay, so if that was the E from this movement, so impulse correction, we would be going up to 48. So still 6, so 1/7. That's nice. Yeah, where is my calculator? $6. 6. Yeah, 14%. So not bad. Okay, very nice. But we still don't know if that was that was crypto. Okay, so you meant crypto. Litecoin currency. Yeah, so I think everything behaves in a similar manner, isn't it? Yeah, it's crazy high. Okay, so let's reverse it. Let's reverse it, and we can see that, look where we are. So for now we are at 0.60 Fibo, yes, 61.8. So that's a very strong resistance, in my opinion, especially that we were growing so high. But you know how crypto is. There's no, yeah. And as well, as I said, next week will be the 51 from the bottom. It's basically the same as Bitcoin. Everything is following movements of the Bitcoin. So I think there will be a pullback. So we might observe here strong resistance, 61.8. That's a very nice Fibo level. So what could happen? We can see the pullback, maybe to the stops here at 145. I don't know, this is just like guessing at this point, but could be, yeah, that the pullback, and then we might go higher again to, you know, form some Gartley, you name it, up to 0.78, so up to 300. But for now I would be very cautious, and next week or the week after, this might start falling, especially when we are at the Fibo like that. Good work on getting to 10k gloss. Oh, thank you, Miss Anthropy. Thanks a lot. I'm very happy, seriously. 10k sounds very good. I know that most of the subscribers are idle, because that's how YouTube works. That, you know, someone who subscribed 5 years ago probably already forgot about my channel and is doing some other things, but it's still a subscriber somewhere in the background. But recently there was a lot of movement, over 3,000 new subscribers, so I'm very happy, I'm very pleased with that. And that's mostly to one of the videos, quite controversial as well, when I'm talking about the 100 win rate strategy. Yeah, you just need to watch this video up to the end, because I'm explaining that it's risky, and it's more like an intellectual exercise, this strategy, hedging strategy, than a real proper recommendation to, you know, to use it. Because I was using it, I have to admit, it's very interesting, really, so I couldn't resist not to. But you need to have a robot, you need to have an EA, you need to have like a proper plan when to use it. Okay, and look at that. If we run this impulse here, we have a swell at this level, one big Fibo basically, so 1.618, and just above there is another Fibo. So yeah, that might be some resistance, like strong resistance on Litecoin. Nikkei very bullish. Oh yeah, Hosoda would love it, huh? Nikkei. Nikkei, yeah, they were super bullish after they're printing money like crazy, I think, yeah, Japanese. So wow, yeah, oh my goodness, very bullish, very bullish, yeah. And again, so this is the thing, like I think in this 2 weeks time, we like on all markets, because that would be exactly 51 weeks, so 52 weeks is 1 year, so we will have anniversary of our COVID panic. And this is important, like when there is anniversary, when someone invested a lot of big funds, what they do, they invest for 3 months, for half a year, for 1 year, for 1.5 years, and all these investments took place at this candle here. The big guys put their money. So now anniversary, it's time to take your cash and go for holidays. So that's why I think there might be not a crash, but we will see. The Bloomberg will tell you why we will fall. I just know when we should, but they will tell you why. It's like with everything. Like if you watch my previous videos, I was calculating exactly the COVID. Apple, there are some entries on Facebook. I was posting before the COVID happened that Apple will fall. I didn't know why. Later I knew why, but I knew exactly when, and that will happen and when it will happen, but I didn't know why it will happen. All I knew is that Ichimoku says so. So this is quite alarming. This 51, it's always a strong resistance. So and the more people know about it, and we are looking at Nikkei. Nikkei is Japanese, and Ichimoku is Japanese. It's very popular in Japan, so they will be sensitive on that number, in my opinion, at least. So we will see. And out of curiosity, let's see as well some. Okay, yeah. So that would be 200 of. Okay, bang. So if we measure all this pullback, 200 is 2,500 points away from now. If we measure just from the COVID fall, it's a little bit lower. We can measure this one, this first impulse here as well, but then we would be there just now. So I think it's good to have this measurement and look for this target. Yeah, it's very crazy, really crazy. But what can we do? People are investing, sitting home, nothing to do. Do you want some penny stocks? Wow, penny stocks. Oh, that's interesting. Let's have a look. Yeah, it would be nice to make a portfolio. What do you think, guys? If we make like a live portfolio, make this kind of meetings, analyze market. I was thinking of doing something like that. Create a portfolio based on your ideas, my ideas, do some analysis and see. We can do it on paper. Whoever wants to put his own money, real money, can do so if he likes the analysis. Yeah, could work. Boom. LKCO. Whoa. This is very cheap. What happened here? No way. It went to $100 and now it's for $159. Technology. Lukung technology. Are we on weekly? We are on weekly. So on weekly, let's have a look. Where are we from the beginning? Okay. I would need to make this a little bit larger. Oh, I can see there is some nice impulse now, yeah? Okay. Something is happening. Let's see how is this correlated with other. Okay, from the top. 82. Okay, so we have 82 at this point. That's interesting. 82 is very powerful in this. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. So, yeah, 14. Okay. Okay, so what I like is that we were forming this bottom for a long time. And now, what's happening now? But okay, so that started with the COVID as well. It was trying to go up, and we have 26 of the bottom. Okay, let's see from here. Perfect. Yeah, 26, 26. The first movement. Yeah, so we still have few. This, I think it will be the same for now. Okay, so for now we are in a cloud. So like apparently no trading allowed in a cloud. We need to have a clear sky if we want to look at the growth. This level is very important. Let's mark it. Oh. Okay, here, yeah. So this is around $6. So now is 159. So almost four times more. If the price comes here, you need to be careful with this level because that's the proper support. There was a breakthrough, so now this will act as a resistance most likely, and it's looking good. There is a twist of Kumo, which is nice. There is Chikou is above price. There is still a little bit before Chikou will reach the Kumo, so usually the Kumo is like a resistance for Chikou. So if it was about to go up, it might still go like $1, which is quite a lot, 2/3, so like over 60%. Yeah, I think for this next 2 weeks it might continue the growth. Let's have a look on a daily. I don't know what's that share, and yep, very good. I don't like to buy after such a strong movement because, you know, if someone was accumulating here, they might start taking profits because it's already like 3 times. So you've got quite a profits at this point. But on the other hand, we got the previous high at this point, which is taken, so there might be a retest either to this high or where was some close of the candle. That was this level, so 0.83. That would be nice if we got like a pullback up to this level, so around 0.86, maybe here 90, and then to buy it, you know, that would be good. Now we are a little bit high in comparison. We make money using the current price. Okay, so Joseph is giving some advice. Someone is asking if all the MT4 charts are the same. No, they're not. It depends of your data provider, so everyone is it will look different. Some might have Sunday candles, so there's like this 2 hours of trading on Sunday, and it might be visible, which is this like distorting Ichimoku, so it's not good at all. The best is when you have a broker that starts with Australian time and merges this 2 hours with Monday, so that's the best. Yeah, let's have a look at some more penny stocks. Okay, so this one, very powerful move. As I said, yeah, when there's a pullback, if there would be a pullback, that would be a nice place to get in. It's just like with Ripple recently. Yeah, there was a massive movement up, then there was a pullback, and it's classic. It's classic. Okay, so now we are on daily. So the same, yeah, we have okay, so that's a nice breakthrough. The Chikou is above, price is above, Kumo up, looking good. That's our resistance. Obviously, we can see that there was an opening of this candle, and the price made a very long wick. So yeah, again, we need to break through this previous shootout. So what we might see for now, again, like taking this, we might revisit this area and then retest this candle here, or yeah, but basically we already retested this candle, yeah, because there was after this green candle there was a pullback. We open at this level, and now we are going up. So that's quite yeah, it's good looking. As an investment, if you want to invest for longer, it's always with the scalping, you need to you need to spend a little bit more time, get the feel. That's what I like about the trading. You need to like start feeling the current, I don't know, currency pair of some stock. Then you see after few days, few weeks of looking at the movements, you understand like what it does. When you just have a first look, you might miss a lot of things. You might not understand what's going on. But yeah, I like it. It's looking good. We have 76 at this point, so there is like a new start of the movement at this point. If we take it, yeah, 9, looking good. There might be something happening here. Tops. Ooh. Julian, you have a lot, Maria, too. Okay, let's have a look at one more. Sumo sounds good. I like sumo. Japanese stuff. Actually, I was watching, I think, yesterday or 2 days ago, some sumo on sumo fights on YouTube. These guys are massive. Seriously, 12,000 calories a day. Okay. Yeah. So again, you see the magic of 26 from the bottom. 26, massive pullback. Just in case, who knows, Ichimoku is taking the profits from the beginning. Okay, yeah, so there is a revisitation of the level. I like it. So now we are on yeah, previous acting. Yeah, it's moving very nicely, because as we can see, like the previous top, so the close was here. Yeah, that's our close. That was the opening, then there was a close here, so this is our like the highest close, then acts as a support. Now we have all lines above, so Chikou above price. Same with Tenkan, with Kijun, both facing up. Senkou-span A and Senkou-span B facing up, looking very good. Really, we have a nice bullish movement. We need to, run some more calculations regarding the time, check the different waves, and then what was going on here. But for now, it's it's looking good. We might be careful at 76, as always. But yeah, what's 222? Yeah, very nice, very nice. So it's looking like from the picture. We could use it as a picture for Ichimoku. Going up, nice waves, not breaking previous lows, making new highs, higher highs, higher and higher lows. Okay, guys. So yeah, you can trade with Ichimoku. As you can see, it's very simple. Just the rule of thumb: Chikou above the price, price above Tenkan and above Kijun, Tenkan above Kijun, and Kumo up, facing up, and you've got green light to go. On pullbacks, if you have a nice pullback, and then you can see you've got a situation like here that the Tenkan is going above Kijun, the price is taking it above. Then we can see as well that Chikou is above. This is a nice confirmation that bulls are in charge, that the price should be going further. And you can see that after this movement, when the Tenkan was taken above above Kijun, we moved. So even acting from this place, that's 34, and we went all the way to 46. So 1 to 3 days, basically 3 days. If you just act on that, in 3 days you made from 34 to 46, 12. So 1/3, 30%. Beautiful. 1-to-1, investing 1-to-1. You don't even need to risk if you anything, because if something goes wrong, you can always wait and then keep it as an investment long term. But these are very powerful signals. I was talking about it as well in one of the videos, titled 100% winning strategy with Ichimoku, based on Neo. Yeah, on Neo. That was beautiful. Neo was going all the signals, like this one, were profitable. Nothing was going wrong over there. But of course, bear in mind that it's not always so beautiful. It's just catchy title, and that's it. Make your own analysis. And if you trade something, go back in time, have a look how it's behaving, if it's respecting Ichimoku or not, and get a feel. It's always good to get a feel of what you are trading, and it will be very profitable. Okie dokie. Thank you very much, guys. It's almost 1 hour. Let's wrap it up. One more time, thank you very much for staying tuned with my channel. I hope you like it, and let me know if you have anything. info@rafałzuchowicz.com. Wait a second. Okay, so that's my email. If you have anything, you can drop me a line. If I have a minute, I will reply to you. And maybe I will make something like that. What do you think? Let me know. Send me an email if you would like analysis like that. If we could make a nice portfolio together and see how it goes. But I'm afraid, because I was thinking of doing that for a while, but I'm afraid about this next 2 weeks, what will happen. So after that, we will see, and then maybe we will start this portfolio. What do you think? I think that would be a good idea, because for now the market might be shaking. So it's been, as I said, 1 year, so anniversary of COVID. I hope you are all healthy. I'm healthy. I was in touch with people who have COVID, but I've got no symptoms, so strong I am, and all is good. So I hope you are fine, and your families are fine as well. So one more time, guys, thank you very much, and until the next video, take care, bye.